Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. We're going to begin. I believe we're live streaming. Okay, we're live streaming. So welcome to everyone joining us on the live stream and here in person. This is a committee meeting of the Planning and Zoning Committee. Let me make sure that we're aware this is a committee meeting. It's not a public hearing, which is a little different. Shall we ask to begin? We're going to wait one moment.
Would you translate if necessary? Me? Yes,
I can translate if you need us.
Translate.
Yeah, Penny, you want to go?
Yeah,
go.
No.
Everybody on Cantonese. Penny.
Go.
Everybody. 講廣東話。講廣東話咧。
講廣東話。
Okay, yummy.
Hey.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah.
We have the again. We're going to start again. Repeat. We are privileged to have someone who can translate me. Thank you very much. So we want to let's repeat. We want to welcome everybody.
大家好啊！好歡迎大家嚟到呢一度。
To remind people, this is a meeting of the Planning and Zoning Committee of Community Board 11.
呢個係一個community board 11嘅一個會議啊。
Right. This is not a public hearing.
係一個公共嘅，唔係一個公共嘅公開嘅啊。
So it's a little bit different,
唔
but
係一個公開嘅會議。
but it is a public meeting.
大家樂，對。
公開嘅會議。
Come on，大家樂。
The public is welcome to the meeting, but this is a committee meeting of the community board.
所有人都係歡迎參加呢個會議嘅，不過係
There will not be testifying.
係冇一個判決嘅，冇一個
大家樂。
No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's all right, Yummy. That's all right.
嗱，呢個係第11社區委員會咧，呢個區劃分嘅區嘅委員會。今晚咧特別咧，我哋講一講呢個收容所啊。收容所咧，我哋咧大家都知道咧，已經將呢個案件咧去呢個標準委員會審核㗎。OK， 今晚我哋討論下呢個審核。
Oh.
Okay.
We will be hearing from an applicant regarding a particular application and appeal of the Board of Standards of Appeals. We will constrain ourselves to that appeal and not to a whole bunch of issues that other people might have. It's very important that we get through this, and we appreciate the applicant coming today. I will read from a prepared outline so that we have everything on the record.
嗱，我哋咧今晚咧特別注重啊，我哋將呢個case咧呢個案件咧去呢個標準委員會已經上訴啦。今晚咧我哋咧就注重咧睇下呢個上訴嘅情況點樣樣。
One note, I have to put a disclaimer on the record. My name is Ross Brady. I am an employee of the Department of Buildings. But before you get in trouble, no. And I want Dr. Lord to make sure he translates this. My position is with enforcement when it comes to advertising signs and business signs.
嗱，佢係咧喺呢個樓宇局服務嘅，最主要咧就係咧就公開咧呢個即係建築嘅情況啊，點樣情況咩情況嘅 ，OK？ 佢喺樓宇局做嘅。
And in the future, I may be suspending some plumbers and contractors' licenses.
Okay, yeah, I have nothing to do. Make sure you tell them I have nothing to do with the Board of Standards of Appeals,
With this application or construction in general, so I don't see a conflict.
OK， 佢咧有時咧就因為取消啊嗰啲咧做最後帳嗰啲合約啊咁樣，但係咧佢最主要咧就係唔係審核咧呢個收容所嘅案件。
In fact, I will facilitate this meeting, and when the committee discusses and decides to make a recommendation to the complete board, I will facilitate that, but I will recuse myself from the actual vote.
嗱，今晚咧，我哋最重要咧係一個建議性嘅建議嚇，建議咧喺呢個咧委員會咧點樣做法。
Okay. So, without any further ado, I think that covers everything. Good evening. Again, my name is Ross Brady. I'm the co-chair of the Planning and Zoning Committee, and I'm joined today by Joe. Joe's here, Joe Lamonaco, the co-chair, Lori Windsor, our chairwoman of Community 111. That's her name, but Marty, our district director, and members of the committee. We're also joined today by Mr. William Colt, Assemblyman Colton, Senator Stephen Chan, and by Councilwoman Susan Zong.
Yeah, okay. 今晚咧，我哋咧就非常之高興咧，佢係呢個咧11社區委員會劃分委員會嘅主席，同埋嗰位咧係共同嘅主席。今晚咧，我哋係媽咪咧，就係我哋咧11社區委員會嘅經理，同埋咧我哋呢個主席嚇，阿 Lori 咧係我哋主席，同埋今晚咧我哋好高興咧 ，Mr. William Colton。New York State Assemblyman 紐約州眾議員同埋紐約市市議員莊文儀參加呢個會議，多謝。
Steve Chen, you don't recognize. Steve Chen.
I'm sorry, you should open it. OK， 嗱呢個我哋州嘅參議員咧，陳學理先生，陳學理 ，Next Chen，OK， Stephen Chen， 陳學理，中文係陳學理先生，紐約州嘅參議員陳學理先生。
That slows me down. So, tonight's committee agenda, for the record, relates to BSA calendar number 2000-2555A, relates to 2501 86th Street, Block 6860, Lot 1.
嗱，呢個今晚咧，我哋討論咧，呢個咧個案件咧就係有個號碼嘅202555A 2501 86街。Block 咧就係嗰個區咧6860，呢個第一個區 Block 1第一區。
重複 repeat.
The appeal challenges the Department of Buildings' determination approving Use Group 5, which is a public purpose transient hotel classification under the zoning regulations.
嗱，呢個我哋今日咧最緊要咧就 challenge 咧，即係反對佢，向佢投訴佢呢個 Department of Building 係樓宇局啊，今晚個樓宇局咧就決定要用呢個叫做 Group 5咧第5組啊，呢個建築呢個臨時嘅酒店，建築呢個臨時酒店，在呢個咧 ER 32153B1 嘅案件嚟到進行嘅。OK。
One mic at a time. And what that was, for the record, because in English is ZR 32153B1, should the players at home want to go check that out online. This despite the absence of a valid city contract that required that the zoning required by the zoning provision.
OK， 嗱，雖然咧呢個合約咧到目前為止啊，仲未啊有明顯嘅准許嘅證明嘅程度，仲未曾有證明嘅程度，因為未有呢個紐約市啊正式合約嘅要求嘅，仲未人達到呢個要求。OK。
DHS correspondent. Got some battery, thank you. DHS correspondence expressly disclaims any funding or contractual commitment, and the DOB FOIL response confirmed that there is no responsive city contract in existence.
嗱，到目前為止咧，就我哋咧仲未睇見有呢個正式嘅紐約市嘅合約嘅出現嘅。OK。
We're joined today by the applicant who will provide an overview of the application. We'll then take questions from committee members first, and then the public on this application. Again, ladies and gentlemen, please, we will take questions. Please don't make statements so that everyone else can ask their questions. If your question has, this is the old Bill 101. If your question has already been answered, we know the fervor of your feeling towards this, and we know your disposition. So there's no need to ask the question again. So we'll begin, and we'll discuss the application following the presentation.
OK， 今晚咧最重要咧，大家對呢個問題咧，呢個收容所啊，頭先講呢個收容所咧，就係向呢個標準委員會咧去上訴嘅。到目前為止，大家對呢個有咩問題，可以今晚咧向呢個可以發出問題。
Okay, so now we'd like to turn it over to the applicant. If the applicant would come up to present to the committee.
嗱，今晚咧，我哋請呢個即係收容所嘅街坊會咧，我哋可能叫做街坊會咧出嚟講下，解釋下 ，OK？ 請你出嚟解釋下。
No, the applicant to appeal. Yeah.
And again, I think we'll make sure that we have the discussion post the presentation. Let's let the presentation go through. Thank you very much.
Hi everybody. My name is Alex Lee. I am the owner of the building at 2481 86th Street, 100 feet away from this site location. The reason I filed this ESA appeal, basically, my parents already brought up, building department did not follow their protocol, the steps, and get a permit, special permit called CPC special permit. Building department was saying that's not required.
呢位先生咧就係喺附近嘅居民嚟㗎，其中一個。佢今晚要討論下咧呢個 department 樓宇局啊，未曾得到呢個咧 CPC， 我哋叫做 CPC City Planning Commission 嘅批准嘅。
Okay, and also the DHS did not have an active contract, so the reason we have to appeal that we want to get answer from DOB, and PSA hopefully will have a holding proper hearing.
呢個標準委員會咧，今晚咧就佢講咧，仲未人得到呢個正式嘅批准㗎，希望佢哋能夠審查下，睇下將來睇下點樣。OK。
呢個就係我需要講嘅，多謝大家。Thank you.
OK。
Well, first, before we get to anybody who might ask questions, let's address the committee members. Committee members with questions. First opportunity. Right now, we're asking for members of the Planning and Zoning Committee, and following that, any board members. Okay. We will open this up now. I know we have some of our elected officials who would like to say something, and we're gonna go by who was here first, I guess. I'm not sure who was here first, but I think it's Senator Chan and then Mr. Colton Susan and Mrs. Song. I think that was the order of presentation. If you're ready.
I'm Senator Steve Chan from District 17. So first of all, I can't take credit where credit is due. A lot of the homework in our challenge to DOB is because of our concerned neighbors. I personally would love to have done it, but it's just that my district is incredibly big. I don't have the time. But you know what? But when you came to me, I did have the time. I had time for you. So 我唔可以攞晒嗰啲勞工 話乜嘢都係我做嘅，呢個係會功勞。Thank you。我啲中文麻麻地嘅 ，English beautiful right？ 中文麻麻地嘅，so 我唔可以攞晒嗰啲功勞，因為咧我哋嗰啲鄰居個個都做咗好多嘢 ，especially Henry、Linda、Ben、Alex，right？ 我好感謝大家一齊 get together and 做咗呢啲功課。I want to thank everybody for doing their homework, and especially Henry, who spent I don't know how many countless hours with me on the computer doing his research. 我真係唔知道 Henry 做咗幾多嘢。So when me personally went to the DOB back in the summertime, and I spoke to one of the commissioners in DOB. Do you have the name? I can't remember the name at the moment. And we did bring up the fact that you didn't have a valid contract at the time you issued this permit. So 我哋呢一個夏天嗰時咧，我親自去咗房屋處嗰度同個 commissioner 傾過嘅。我嗰陣時已經提咗佢，你俾發咗呢一個牌俾佢起屋嗰陣時咧，你根本就冇一個有效嘅合約。So he says, you know, that's a formality. We're assuming that whatever we have here can substitute for a contract. And I'm like, but that's not a contract. So 我去到嗰陣時咧，佢話我哋當呢一張紙呢一封信，即係有個意思，我哋將來會俾個合約俾你，我哋當佢係一個合約，但我話呢個唔係合約嚟喎，始終都唔係一個合約。你而家揸住一封信話佢有個意思，將來俾嗰個合約俾你，呢個唔係合約。So I want to thank Henry. So 因為 Henry 同我嘅寫字樓繼續嚟啦。Ultimately 我嘅副幕僚長阿 Yaman 劉亞明小姐喺嗰度，我都唔知道佢做咗幾多嘢。嗰啲信我哋寄去 BSA 嗰啲信全部都係佢寫嘅，全部都係佢寫嘅。我知道有好多嘢，大家嗰啲鄰居睇唔到我寫字樓做緊嗰啲嘢啦。事實上我哋因為我區好大啊，所以仲有當然呢度201係我而家暫時嚟講最重要嘅目的，最重要嘅 business，right? So it's not that you don't see me in the street a lot. It's because my district is huge. You know, I have about 500,000 constituents. 350,000 on paper, but it's probably about closer to 500,000. We do a tremendous amount of work in the office. This BSA appeal was filed, written by my Deputy Chief of Staff, Yaman Lau. I want to give credit where credit is due. She has done an incredible amount of work in regards to 2501. Now, of course, I have a lot of other problems in my district, but right now, 2501 is my foremost and most important dilemma that I must help solve. I get it. So 我想多謝大家，咁多謝劉亞明小姐今日咁關心出到嚟呢度。So 我哋啦，繼續咁樣奮鬥落去啦。我哋應該會贏嘅呢個。We look forward, and we must stand together, not divide ourselves. And we stand together and we fight this through the PSA, and I have faith in the PSA. And when there is actually a time for me to get in the ring with the PSA, and that's what I'm going to do. So 如果嗰個時間嚟到嗰陣時啦，我需要去 PSA 嗰度咧，我可以保證你哋呢樣嘢，我親自會同大家出去。
Thank you, sir. Assemblyman Colton, would you like to say something?
All right, I think we're going to be having many of these meetings, many of these issues, because I can tell you right now, this community is not giving up. We're going to continue to fight, and every single issue we're going to be dealing with, because this community is united, and that's why we're going to win. OK， 大家好。呢位咧就係老入州眾議員寇登先生。今晚咧佢講咧，我哋社區咧好多問題，但係我哋都繼續努力，共同奮鬥，一路奮鬥落去。多謝大家。
Now I would like to thank the people, Henry and the others who did this research. I'm telling you, it was very impressive. It raised points that are very critical and raises very good questions in terms of what is going on.
多謝咧，Henry 咧，佢就已經我哋同佢講過啦。但我自己咧都睇過嗰啲信嘅，好多問題存在嚇，佢發現咗好多問題，好多咧唔啱嘅嘢喺嗰度嘅。OK， OK。
The rules and regulations upon which decisions are being made affect everyone in the community. They affect all of the business owners, all the residents, all the people who live in our community and who are going to be affected by these kinds of rules, and they also affect the homeless people that are going to be living in that building if it ever gets built. They are going to get hurt too.
OK， 呢個決定咧就唔單止影響我哋居民，就係影響咧我哋公司啊、嗰啲商店啊，同埋咧啲無家可歸啲人咧都會影響嘅，好大影響呢個嘅決定。
Now you say, why does a technicality make a difference? Why do we fight over every single issue, every single piece? It's because it does affect us. And think about it for a minute. We are allowing a developer to build a building which is going to have effects upon everyone in the community, and city government, if their rules are such, they allow that developer to avoid having to do certain tests, to avoid having to show certain things. And they're saying that, well, we're dealing with the city. There's a contract. There is no contract. The city is saying that we're going to allow them to avoid doing these things because we have a contract with them, and therefore we have a special interest. He doesn't have to do all those things. He's in a contract with the city. The reality is, there's no contract.
Pause for translation.
OK， 嗱，到阿寇登先生講咧，到目前為止都係冇合約嘅。OK， 因為呢個建築商啊。建築商咧同呢個市府啊，以前咧就建立啦，唔知咩條約啊，我哋唔知道啦。所以咧，你呢個決定啊，將來對我哋社區咧影響非常之大嘅。
So the question that this committee, this group is raising, and it is a critical question, and it's one that we need to get an answer for. What happens if you have a builder who says, or the city says they intend to make a contract with him, and they build a building. They build a homeless shelter. And you have now homeless people being mistreated in that homeless shelter. And you have people walking the streets because they can't stay in that homeless shelter during the day. It's built. What happens now if the city, before it completes the contract, before it enters into the contract, they decide we don't want to do that anymore?
OK， 嗱，佢話咧呢個建築商啊，就建築啊呢個就無家可歸咧，就會影響喺我哋社區啦。嗱，呢個無家可歸咧就好多問題嘅，佢將來咧會喺呢個收容所嗰度行出嚟啊，行出街嗰度咧走嚟走去咧，影響我哋社區嘅。
So there's a new mayor, so that there's something different, and all of a sudden, the city decides we're not going to enter into that contract. Now what? You have a hotel 9 stories high. There's no contract anymore, so what happens?
Take a microphone and the mic, please.
Let's see. It's on. What happens if now you have a hotel built, avoiding all the precautions, all the things that the owner of a hotel would normally have to build, but now the city hasn't signed the contract, a new mayor comes in and decides I'm not signing the contract, now you have a hotel out of place on 86th Street that's going to be used in a lot of bad ways. How does that make sense?
嗱，如果你咧將來咧就建立呢個收容即係臨時嘅酒店，我哋叫做臨時嘅酒店嘅時候咧，會影響咧我哋呢個社區嘅。就將來咧，你唔知道呢個酒店咧對我哋咧影響有幾大。
Does that mean the hotel has to be torn down? Does that mean that the hotel is going to be allowed to be built without the precautions that the community had a right to if it wasn't a contract with the city? What does that mean? That means big litigation that we'll have to keep fighting and fighting, and that's not good. It's not good for the community, and it isn't even good for the developer who built something without finishing what should have been done.
OK， 呢個臨時嘅酒店如果建築起嚟嘅時候咧，將來咧我哋頭先講過好多次啦，就嚴重影響我哋嘅呢個社區嘅。呢個市政府咧就唔理咁多咁嘅原因，一路咧准許佢哋建立呢個臨時嘅酒店咧，非常之唔合理。
We're in this to make sure we win, and we're going to keep raising issues, keep raising questions, until finally everyone understands we're going to win. And if it takes however much time, if we can do it in the next month or so, great. If it's going to take a year or two, everyone better get very clear. We're not stopping until we win, and we're going to ask every question like this particular committee raised about what happens if you have them avoiding certain things that they're supposed to do because they're relying upon having a contract, but the contract doesn't exist. Now what do? We're going to keep asking it. It's a good question. Thank you for everyone who did the research. Tremendous job you did on this. And we're going to keep fighting on it.
首先咧，我哋多謝 Henry 咧，我哋街坊會咧就共同努力咧，不斷咁樣爭取呢個合理嘅合約嘅。OK， 佢家到目前為止佢係冇合約嘅。嗱，寇金先生講咧，我哋要繼續咁樣努力，一日、兩日、3日，一路咁樣支持、努力、共同努力爭取落去。
And we want to thank Board 11. You've had, now the zoning committee has listened to this. It's something that's important. They're going to give their recommendations on it. Maybe the recommendations won't be followed. Shame on those who don't follow them. But thank you for having this. Thank you, Dr. Law. I'm not an easy one to transfer. To translate when I'm fired up.
我係盡量嘅，OK， 好多嘢咧，呢啲係法律嘅問題嚟㗎，大家知道。而家教育咧，我又知道啦，話3個碩士1個博士係教育嘅，唔係法律嚇，對唔住。如果我翻譯錯咧，你偷偷同我講，喂，你唔曉喎，對唔住嚇。OK。就希望咧，將來大家共同努力共同努力，一路咁樣爭取我自己咧都係社區咧住咗好多年啦，唔再多講OK。
Alright, so we're going to continue as long as needed. Thank you.
Okay. I figure I translate that one.
No, it's okay. You go and then I say something.
Councilwoman Susan Song. Thank you.
紐約市市議員莊文儀小姐。
Well, don't translate it. We're not translating. You know what? Let's make it interesting. I'll translate. Okay.
First of all, I want to thank Community Board 11 and also this meeting. I know it's Paul, Henry, that you guys work together to have this meeting. I want to thank everyone. This homeless shelter started even before I get into office, 2023. I still remember the first time the rally is December 3rd, 2023. That day I lost my voice. I had Dr. Larry read my statement. I still remember that day. And it's raining, and that's information we get right after I get elected. But I have not took office that time. As a community, we get together, we fight, and right now it's on hold. I want to thank all the people working so hard to get the information, and I want to thank Henry always doing appeal on the DOB website. I still remember the DOB website was not working when they want to do the appeal. Yeah, I remember I told you. And also, I want to thank my office. They really work hard. get that website open, so we are able to do the appeal today.
Translate.
Let me finish and then I do everything in Chinese. and the other thing is, our office did a lot of research. You guys did by building, coding side, and also from the research we send the whole piece of paper, several letters to mayor, to we send like a really long paper to mayor, to district attorney, to all the. So we send it to the previous mayor, current mayor, first deputy mayor, Department of Building, Brooklyn District Attorney, United States Attorney's Office, Southern District of New York. We have to do a lot of research. This developer has a history of criminal. He had arrests also. I had arrests also, but it's different reason. 14 charges against separate that construction issue, and also there's a DOI investigation by Brooklyn District Attorney doing on him. And this type of developer committed fraud and committed burglary, committed a lot of crime, not burglary, there's a lot of crime. And I just couldn't believe Department of Building still gives them the permit, which is, I do not think it's legal. And also, they waived a lot of studies, should not get waived. And this location, right now the issue here is not only just homeless issue to our community, it's a civil rights issue. Because we, in our community, we don't feel we have the right to speak about any issue. We have no right when they want to put a homeless shelter there. There's a lot of backroom discussion, usually in the city hall, but we will not involved. When I get in office, it's already decided. So it should be that discussion beforehand, but we did not hear anything. Also, the Sandu brother used to work within that group as well, was charged in 2017 for burglary, DOB inspector. And also, the city continue to give the permit to this developer. It's a corruption case, and it's a careless and showing the government care very little about our community. I will always stand up with the community, and we urge the community board support this BSA case. I'm going to say in Chinese.
Translation. 你好吗？
大家好，我是市议员钟怡。大家也知道，这个反对游民所是从2023年就开始了。那个时候我刚刚选上，还没有正式的有自己的办公室。然后我还记得第一次我们的游行是12月3号还是12月5号？12月3号下雨。我那天嗓子说不了话。Dr. Larry He 当时帮我念的 statement， 所以我要感谢那个时候跟我们大家一起出来参加游行，一起站出来发生的事情。很多这种 homeless shelter 选地址其实是很多内部的信息，但是我们没有拿到。等我接手的时候，这个已经是板上钉钉的事情，已经是没法改变的事情。但是从我们社区的努力，我们可以看到一点，到现在为止，这个游民所还是没建。这首先呢，要感谢我们社区，比如说 Henry 啊、Linda 呀，很多我们社区里的人一直的努力，一直在做 research， 来做网站上做投诉啊。然后在投诉的时候，那个网站 Department of Building 楼宇局的网站关掉，然后 Henry 他们就来找我说，苏珊，你能不能跟他们交流？把那个网站开开。当时我们也打电话联系楼宇局，也联系各个部门。我们跟楼宇局讲，你如果不开， 我们就去媒体曝光你。然后后来，当我们讲了这件事，马上这个网站就突然可以工作了。所以呢，我们大家要做的是团结在一起，不光是做这样的 research， 还要从各种媒体上曝光他们。我最近也做了就是那种收音机的 interview， 也做了很多电视的 interview 关于这个问题。我也从不同的角度来讲这个问题，不光是从不合法的批准这些牌照来讲，还有这个开发商有17个犯罪记录，还有他还这个 corruption， 他就在 corruption
腐败，
贪污，他有行贿受贿的这种案例已经是非常多了。这种人本来从政府的角度来说就不应该给他牌照，不应该给他在我们社区建任何东西，所以我就觉得这个是太不应该了。然后我也写了信到市长，现在的市长，原来的市长，布鲁克林的 DA， 然后地区检察官，然后联邦级的检察官，要求他们彻查这些事情，然后也通知了各种各样的媒体，也要去讲这些事情。我还记得Linda 夫妻2个来我们办公室跟电视台讲话。所以这些付出是我们社区每个人的，我要感谢每个人对我们这个社区的付出。同时呢，我们会继续从不同的角度跟 Mayor 继续去交流，然后跟楼宇局继续交流，就是跟他们再 argue， 再继续争取力争的把我们的社区的这个游民所彻底的停掉。我觉得胜利在望。大家还是努力，我们一起努力。谢谢大家。
Thank you very much. Well, committee with committee, I know we at least 2 questions from that. We have a committee member, but the first question for the applicants would be: have you received a date, a calendar date for the hearing, the public hearing? Not yet. Okay, so obviously you advise us. We'll advise everyone. Because that is a public hearing. No? Not on appeal? Okay.
OK， 佢問下佢，你家下公聽會嘅日期有冇咩？公聽會嘅日期冇。OK。
Thank you. Okay, I'm corrected. This is an appeal, so it's a does not have a public hearing, but we will advise of the date so that we can follow along. And I will continue, but we did have. Do you still have a question? This is a you have to come up.
I actually Susan Zhuang answered the question at the very end because the question that I had was, it sounds to me like the appeals case would only be overturning the decision that was made in the last administration, but it's not a permanent solution to deter the city government to say we are absolutely not having any homeless shelters in this community. Am I understanding that correctly?
That's not what we did. Only for this specific application.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So then the answer is basically answered when she had said that, you know, she's going to continue to work with the city government to deter them from having a shelter here. So I don't think I have any other questions. Thank you. I can translate.
我本身咧係想問，
我本身咧係想問，究竟呢個審批案咧，其實係咪一個淨係暫停起建嘅一件事，而唔係真係治本咁樣可以直接同市政府講，以後唔好再喺我哋呢個社區建呢個收容所。咁如果佢只係一個可能治標唔治本嘅方案嘅話，咁我哋究竟又可以點樣再同市政府去溝通，去講 勸退佢哋，你以後唔好再喺我哋呢度啦。咁我覺得啱啱莊敏儀佢係講得好清楚啊，佢會繼續去同市政府做呢、個持續嘅交流同溝通。咁我就覺得只要呢件事係一路有呢個持續性嘅溝通嘅話，去話俾佢哋聽我哋呢個社區嘅意願，咁我就覺得 OK 啦。
Okay, let's do a call here for remember questions, not comments, not testimony. And if hearing none, we'll continue. Again, before I continue, just of course thank you all for your engagement. Thanks for our elected officials for coming. We have a representative of Lester Chang. You can feel free to speak. We'll speak on their behalf, to speak to them after the meeting as you like and as they are available. But we will continue with some background. We have translation. Pause. Thank you, Sergeant at all.
今晚咧，我哋討論下，即係以後嘅程序咧，要應該點樣做法。今晚咧，我哋咧就建議性嘅 ，OK？
Okay, in background, in June 2021, Community Board 11 unanimously rejected the citywide hotel tax amendment.
喺2021年6月嘅時候咧，我哋11社區委員會咧就拒絕啦呢個紐約市嘅即係呢個紐約市嘅就酒店嘅建築咧呢個修改嘅條例。
That amendment required the City Planning Commission, required a special permit from the City Planning Commission for new hotels and enlargements in all commercial districts.
呢個 hotel 咧係需要呢個頭先講過要呢個市政府嘅 CPC City Planning Commission 嘅准許嘅。
The board felt that the city was enshrining a loophole in order to ensure that there was no community input on publicly funded transient developments.
市政府咧就叫我哋嘅意見嚟講咧，佢哋叫做走漏洞，希望能夠就建立呢個收容所，佢哋市政府走漏洞。
And it was for that reason that we felt we should make a unified statement that as much as we support community input, we could not support this text amendment in its current form.
我哋咧就同意咧支持我哋呢個社區呢個案件，支持我哋社區嘅意見，即係唔同意咧呢個市政府呢個咧利用咧各種呢個就漏洞嚟到建起呢個收容所。
Now, since the community board doesn't have a formal role in the appeals applications, it's not going to come before the board.
我哋咧11社區委員會咧冇呢個正式嘅程序個決定咧呢個收容所嘅。
But the committee is going to want to make a recommendation to the full board, and to that again I will recuse myself from that recommendation.
我哋11社區委員會咧就同意咧又有個建議咧成一個推薦即係建議性嘅程序。
Community Board 11 members, I need you to listen to this part because I am going to make a motion now. And this is broadly speaking on the process and the procedure of this. If approvals are issued to develop transient accommodations without an active contract, then they should be subject to a CPC special permit and public review. That is my motion.
我哋咧就係最重要㗎，我哋11社區委員會咧同唔同意呢個咧就建築呢個臨時嘅酒店就係冇得到呢個 CPC 咧，即係紐約市就審核嘅機構審核嘅委員會嘅同意，能夠進行呢個建立呢個收容所，我哋咧就建議呢個咧，你同唔同意 ？OK。
Thank you. Do I have a second on my motion? Second. Okay. Joe, I need all committee members, and I can't see you in the back, so stand up. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Okay.
Only CB11 members. Aye.
Aye.
Do I have any opposed? I have any abstentions or recusals? Thank you. So this motion and the recommendation from the zoning committee will be brought up at our next meeting in February for the full board to vote on.
嗱，我哋2月份咧，我哋11社區委員會咧就舉行呢個每一個月嘅例會咧，就係進行咧大家建議性嘅投票。OK， 2月份我哋再開會㗎啦，1個月開一次嘅。
Well, thank you all for coming tonight. We invite you to come to the. Do you have a question? Oh, okay, we'll take the mic. I mean, I don't know if this is parliamentary form, but we'll let it go.
我想俾啲party 俾阿 Lauren。10月份2023已經講到 phone call from Lauren， 係佢通知我 Lina 2501要喺郵門所，你知唔知？我喺邊度？佢問我爸，佢話要喺郵門所，你知唔知？我話邊度？佢話近嗰個 train station。所以我哋真係社區咧係好早知道，真係俾啲掌聲俾阿 Lauren 好嗎？因為係佢通知到我哋先，俾我哋先有咗我哋嘅 rally 10月3號。所以 I want to say thank you to the Lauren. So that is your party, not my party. I want to say thank and also like Congress woman, yeah, Nicole. So it's very important. Thank you so much. So we let our community wake up. 所以令我哋嘅社區咧團結啊！佢同埋咧要俾啲credit 俾阿 Henry 佢哋嗰個 team， 唔單止幫我哋86嘅 Henry 都幫緊我哋 Avenue U， 俾啲掌聲俾 Henry 好嗎？因為同埋咧要俾啲掌聲俾阿 Stephen Chen，Senator Stephen Chen， 11點幾，我哋仲 working on that。So thank you, yeah, thank you.
Lena, we have to close and keep it germane. You want to make the motion?
I just want to say thank you to everyone for coming tonight. Thank you to the Community Board 11. Thank you, Lena, for hosting us this evening. Thank you.
Okay, I can do this, so I'm gonna make a motion to adjourn. Do I have a second? In the back? Is there anyone opposed? Abstention stands carried. Thank you. We'll see you at the next community board meeting. Let's translate that.
好，今晚我哋散會 ，OK， 希望咧。